Welcome back, Steve. The TSXV has recovered materially since the all-time low in January 2016. What makes you confident that January was the bottom? What's different this time?
What's different this time is since the all-time low in January, the TSX Venture has rallied over 60%, and it's been 6 months since that time. So if you compare that to the largest previous rally since 2011, the best rally was only 28% in 1 month in length. So that gives us strong evidence that things are back into a bull market scenario. And we're also noticing a change in sentiment. There's been a noticeable shift in the junior market in terms of sentiment. There's more financings getting done. Volumes have picked up a lot. Both of those figures are up over 40% in the second quarter of this year versus last year.
I understand AlphaNorth's Resource Fund is the #1 fund on Globe Fund in 2016. Congratulations. What do you think's driven this performance?
Thanks. We've had some good picks in the Resource Fund. One notable investment was Next Gen Uranium, which we invested in several years ago at around 40 cents. It's over $2 today. That's a significant uranium discovery, high-grade uranium discovery. We've had some exposure to some of the lithium names that have done very well recently. Blackbird Energy is another an energy name that has done very well for us in the fund.
So what is your outlook for the Canadian small cap sector?
Well, what's been driving performance of the venture index year to date has been the junior golds and the energy names. We're starting to see that spread to other sectors. The base metals have started to perform a lot better recently. And we see that continuing into technology and healthcare and some of the other sectors. So we're quite bullish for the remainder of the year.
Can you share a couple of your recent portfolio additions and why you like them?
I mentioned Blackbird Energy. That's a name that's done very well for us since we purchased a private placement not too long ago. It's up over 100% since that time when you factor in the warrants that we received. Why we're excited about that company is they have a substantial land position in one of the most economic areas in North America, the Montney, and they're right in the sweet spot of the Montney. And they are transitioning to a producer by the end of the year. They've already drilled 3 wells. They will drill more wells before the end of the year and tie them in around the end of the year.
Thanks for taking the time for stopping by today.
Great. Thanks, Mark.